A big square area like this is a perfect spot to use the Bondo Hog. The tool is fast, it's straight, and today we're going to take a close look at exactly how to use it. The area was filled and we used the Stanley Sureform cheese grater blade to get it close. And I had a couple spots here that I hit too, and I got those close with the cheese grater also. It's always good to start with a nice fresh, clean, sharp piece of sandpaper because that cuts through the filler instead of riding over it. So we're just going to take this guy and we're going to hold it perfectly flat as we can. We're not going to sand with the edge, we're going to just hold it flat. And we're going to use it just like a block, just like that. Going this way, back and forth, and up and down, and even in circles. And we're going to just keep it going nice and slow, just nice and even, but making sure that we keep this flat. So here we go. And that's it for the Bondo Hog. We'll come back and hit it with some 80 grit on a small block. And now using some 80 grit on a medium length board, this is the 9-inch board, we'll get it nearly perfect. And that's it. That thing is straight. We'll DA sand the edges, give it a coat of primer so you can see what the finished panel looks like. After a few coats of primer surfacer, this is the finished panel. Ready to be block sanded, primed again, finish sanded and painted. I hope you enjoyed this video on using the Bondo Hog to sand filler fast and straight. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.